What's up, guys? And maybe the 3 gals that are watching. Coming back to you with my little 3-liter duramax. You know, clickbaity title. Fortunately, I don't have an actual video of it because you're never taping. You never expect when it's going to happen. But this thing did another crank no start yesterday. Off of the remote start, which it has never done. Ever. Thought that was kind of weird. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Got into the sauce, eh? Woo! She's not fast, but she gets places. But anyway, back to my story. Yeah, did another crank no start off of the remote start. Super freaking weird. And I wasn't in the truck, so I was walking up to it when I was doing it. And the reason I remote start is because it's never done that. And I've had like probably 6 crank no starts and 8,000 miles. Yeah, I have 8,000 miles on my 2021. Don't go anywhere. But yeah, I don't know. Last time I was at the dealership, I asked them if there are any updates to the software, ECM, anything like that. They said no, nothing present. And I don't know, maybe on the next oil change I take it in and see what they say. But yeah, I mean, as you guys know, when you have a crank no start, she fires up immediately after the next one. I believe it's something in the cam sensor or maybe the crank sensor. Either way, it falls just out of line and it can't catch itself. But I don't know, probably not going to do anything about it. Just keep rocking it. Other than that, it's where I'm averaging about 26 miles a gallon. But I drive it kind of hard, I'm not going to lie. I don't baby foot this thing. I used to, and then I'm like, why am I saving it for the next guy? Have some fun with it. But I know there's deletes for these things coming. That's right, they're out of Canada. There's a couple companies. They're on the 3.0 Facebook groups. No, that's coming. They have tuning support, and Canada doesn't have to comply with the EPA. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Might have to take a little vacation to the land of the maple syrup. Alright, YouTube, just to check in with y'all, just give you a quick update on the truck. Any hooser, y'all have a nice one, and we'll catch up to you soon. Peace.